Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking for Me, and I wanted to show you just a sneak peek of what our April E-Club kit is going to be. Now, I'm not going to show you everything because like I've always said, I like for you to have some surprises. So this is just going to be a sneak peek. So you will get one of these nice waterproof zipper bags. Your goodies will come in it. I use these for everything. I keep pens in them and paper in them and everything. So you get one of these. You will get, this is the paper pack that we're going to be using. It's called Spring Fling, and it is from Echo Park. You'll get, there's 24 in here, and you will get half of the pack. We always split these packs up because they're so jam-packed full. So I'm going to flip through and just show you some of these beautiful papers. Look at that. This is probably my favorite color of our kits that we've done so far. But you know, I like teal, so. But these are some beautiful spring colors. Spring flowers. Isn't that gorgeous? I love these little boots. I tried to find a dye that was the boots, but I couldn't. I couldn't find one anywhere that wasn't like $20-something, and I couldn't do that. Isn't that pretty? The butterflies and the kites. Gorgeous. And the little bumblebees. And of course there's a May stamp set that's being made especially for this collection. So I can't show you that though. But see, then it starts over. So you will get 12 of these sheets. And they're all double-sided, so you get that. Then this is the cardstock that we'll be putting in there. So see, that matches really, really well. Then you will get some flowers. These are the Prima flowers, and they match really pretty with that collection. Get some of those. And then you will get some of the die cuts from the Spring Fling. And that is some of the things that they have in the die cut pack. Really, really pretty. So you get that. And then you will get a pack of bling, of course, and it's the pink that goes with that. So you can use that for a lot of things. And then the inks, we had to get a couple of different colors of ink, so you may get the teal and you may get the pink. I don't know. They didn't have enough of one color to do the whole collection, but as you can see, they both go really, really well with it. So that is the ink, and then here is the pretty little die set. Look at that little bird. Is that not a cutie? So you'll get the Happy Bird is what he's called. I love that. I hope there's enough left for me to have one of those. Very cute. And then there's other things that come in here, but I can't show you everything. I've got to leave some things for a surprise. But this is what you will get along with some other goodies in the April kit. Now, if you are not a member of the kit club, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, after our kit club members get theirs, we're going to have probably about 7 kits left. If you want to get in on one of these kits, you need to go now and go ahead and sign up, because they are, we did have 15 and they're already selling fast. And I know when I put this video up, the rest of them are going to go. So if you want to get one of these kits, the link will be directly below. Go ahead and sign up. You can sign up and then drop out of the kit club anytime you want. There's no obligation. Just when you sign up, if you want to drop out next month, you can. We hope you don't, but you can if you need to. So go over and grab the rest of these kits. And let's see, what else did I need to tell you? I think that's it. Also, if you're not a member of our Facebook group for the E-Club kit, and you are already a member of our club kit, make sure that you go over to that Facebook group and join, because that's where we post all the photos, and everybody else shares their photos of things that they make. We also post the PDF and the videos there for these kits as well. We do 2 PDFs and 2 videos for each one of these kits that are exclusive for you guys. So you get those every month along with this. So it's a tutorial showing you how to make some different things, and all of that. So that comes with the kit. All right, that is all I needed to tell you right now. Thanks so much, and we will talk.